share this out with other teachers. So I'm in my Canva, and I'm going to show you how you can share a template with other teachers. So I'm going to go up to share, and then if I move down here, you see I have some options, but I want to click on see all. So when I click on see all, I now have the ability to get a template link. So I'm going to click on template link. I'm going to create a link, copy it, and now I'm ready to share that with other teachers. Once you click on the link of a template that's shared with you, you're going to see the project, what it looks like, and you'll see that the template, who it was created by, and that it's shared with you, and then you can start designing. So all you need to do to make this your own is click view template, and it will create the template for you in your Canva account.